pea gravel patio is easy to install, budget-friendly, and adds a charming touch to any outdoor space. Choose a relatively flat area in your yard. Consider things like sunlight, drainage, and how the patio will fit into your landscape. Outline your patio's shape using a garden hose or marking paint. Make sure it's large enough for furniture and to move around comfortably. Dig out about 4.5 inches deep in the marked area. Remove any roots or debris. Check if the surface is level. Fill low spots and tamp down high spots as needed. Tamp the entire area to create a solid foundation. Install landscape edging around the patio perimeter. The edging should be about a ½ inch taller than the final gravel surface to keep stones contained. Spread a 2-inch layer of crushed rock or gravel mixed with rock dust. This will add stability to the top pea gravel layer. Rake it evenly, lightly spray with water, and tamp down. Add landscape fabric to prevent weed growth and secure it with stakes. Pour pea gravel in the patio area until it's just below the edging. Use a rake to smooth the surface. Trim away any excess landscape fabric. With your pea gravel patio complete, enjoy a charming, low-maintenance, outdoor space perfect for relaxing or entertaining.